That had such a long wind down. That's longer than I remember. Well, finally, a successful siren test after that one failure because that police car took our parking space. So I think this they didn't, my city didn't do this before, but I think they're sending out the police to check on all of the sirens when they go off because these past few siren tests that I've been to, there's always been some sort of police car that's just standing right next to the siren or something. This time it was a little late, but there was one that came. You can probably hear it. So yeah, I came this way because I thought there's a 2001 down here that is worn down. You could hear it. I mean, I could hear it. I don't know which one it is. I was hoping it would be this one, but I guess it's not. So I guess I'll still have to search for whatever one that is because I don't know where it is. It might be undiscovered.